Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another recap. Today we broke my little red conundrum. Very what it was a very boring morning. Let's hop over to the screen share. So we are up $10.08. Yeah, very small green day. But hey, it is what it is. So basically, today just consisted of sitting and existing. There was really nothing that was looking good. I mean, MSS now is up a good bit. I'm annoyed I didn't get more out of it. And it's popping up even more, but I can't trade it now. I need to secure my green days, so this is painful. This hurts. This hurts deep. But my first trade today was on DWTX, and this wasn't even till 8 a.m. And so if we hop over on the 10-second chart here, I'm like, Jesus God. So I didn't trade this at all during this entire day, all the way up here. So, I mean, when I pulled it up, when it first hit the scanners earlier this morning, it was already too expensive. Like, maybe if I caught it in here, but this stock does pop up a lot, so I was hesitant on it. The catalyst wasn't that good. And I think, honestly, it only went up today just because there was nothing else to trade. But where did I trade it? I traded it right in here at 8 a.m. So I was looking for the break kind of through this double top. I was watching that, and it broke it, and I was waiting for it to come and retest. And it did, and then it hesitated, and I got out, because I'm glad I did, because this happened seconds later. And then I waited, and then MSS, and it's up even more. Ay. I traded it. Where did I trade this? Look. I took a couple trades on it. I went red here. Or no, I went red up here because I bought for. Or where? One sec. MSS 357 was my first entry. Okay, so yeah, this is where I went red. I bought here 357, and then it went down below the $0.50. So I sold out. Seconds later, it spikes back up. So I don't know what my best method of doing that is. I got back in and I made $10, and then I lost 12 on this, and then I made it back up here. But my thing is like, if I would have just not immediately stopped out, I would have been able to carry more of this move. So I don't know how to fix that. I just don't know what the best method of just holding strategically and not hoping. So I guess that's something that just comes with time and the ability to look at the level 2 and kind of get a read on what's going on. Like, looking at it right now, why does that happen? What pops up with the seller? Why? Like, what's the best method, or what's like how long that process takes? But yeah, that's going to be it. Quick recap today, because yeah, not much on the cards, honestly. It was a very slow day. So I'm just going to sit and watch MSS until I have to go to work. So yeah, hope you guys had a good day. Let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.